the flexibility and freedom that comes with working as an affiliate marketer. It doesn't matter much if your approach to affiliate marketing will be a secondary source of income or a primary source of income. Affiliate marketing comes with a great deal of freedom and independence when it comes to working with it. This differs a lot from any other job type, or even from a job in affiliate marketing. The affiliate marketing makes their decisions regarding the hours they will choose and the time they will work. Similarly, the affiliate marketer chooses which days off he can take and has the freedom to choose who he is going to associate with or work with and with which company. The fact that the affiliate marketing can choose the schedule gives them many comforts, which allows them to maximize and optimize the productivity. After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.